Hi, Elaine here with WTI. How do you keep your nails strong and healthy? Well, OPI does it for me. This is the New Orleans collection, Let Me Buy You a Drink. I love the play on words and the color is magnificent. It's really elegant. It's like a pink champagne color. I think it's really great for when you want to go to a wedding, and it's really, really pretty. Even on the first coat, but I like to give my nails 2 coats. I let it dry in between, and then I make sure I have a good second coat. For me, the second coat really ensures that my nail polish will last for at least 2 weeks or even longer. I am in love with this New Orleans Let Me Buy You a Drink color. I think it's elegant. I know it helps my nails to keep growing and stay strong. I love it. I highly recommend it, and that's just my point of view.